Yes, children. In the previous video, we have seen about the four different kinds of adverb which shows an action. Okay. On the basis of the verb, we had already seen the four different kinds of adverb. Now, on the basis of the action itself, let's see two more kinds of adverb. Next is, that is your fifth adverb will be adverb of quality. And this quality tells us the degree of an action. Okay, that is, what is the extent of doing the action? What is the extent? What is the degree of the action? Is adverb of quantity. For example, I am extremely sorry. Now here, I am telling you the degree of the sorry. The extent of the sorry. How much I am feeling sorry? I am extremely sorry. And that's why this is your degree of quantity or adverb of quantity. So the adverb, the action which gives the quantity, that is called as adverb of quantity. Okay, one more example. He is somewhat puzzled. Somewhat puzzled, not too much. Quantity is not too much. He is not fully puzzled, but he is somewhat puzzled. So that again, this is giving the quantity. From the word itself, you will be able to understand that the person is puzzled, but he is not too much puzzled. He is little bit puzzled in doing something, whatever the man was doing. So he is little bit puzzled. Now, this one is somewhat, giving us the degree of the adverb. So it is called as the adverb of quantity. In the same way, your sixth one will be interrogative adverb. So the adverb which is used to ask the questions. And questions should be related with a verb only. And that's why this will be called as the adverb of question, that is interrogative adverb. Now let's see example. Why is the child crying? Now the child is crying, so the child is showing some action. But we have asked, why is the child crying? So this will be your interrogative adverb now. One more. When did the train arrive? When did the train arrive? Again, train arrive. It means adverb of time. But what is, when did it arrive? Interrogative, because we have asked it is in the form of question. Where had you gone? Time of, like adverb of place, but we have asked the question where you have gone or where had you gone. So that will be your interrogative adverb. So children, in this way we have altogether 6 different types of adverb. That was adverb of manner, okay, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of quantity, and interrogative adverb. Understood? In case of adverb of manner, we can ask the question how. In case of adverb of place, we can ask the question where. In case of adverb of time, question will begin from when. Frequency will tell you that how often the things are repeating, and quantity will tell you the degree, the extent of the adverb, and interrogative will be there whenever we will ask some questions along with a question mark. Then that is called as the interrogative adverb. Now, these 6 types, they are modifying your verb. And in the definition, we have already studied that adverb is a word which modify the action, the adjective, and the adverb itself. Now, related with the action, we have done everything. Let's see how this adverb is qualifying or how this adverb is modifying your adjective. Now, see some examples. Suppose if I write, he is very happy today. He is very happy today. So happy will be the adjective. And a word which is telling you about the happiness, that is very. So here very is the adverb because it is qualifying, it is modifying your adjective. One more. Sia wore, what she wore? Brightly colored dress. In party. Okay, brightly colored. Again, color, adjective, brightly. Done? Now see how this adverb modify another adverb. And see the example. The dancer moves so gracefully. Gracefully itself is an adverb. And a word so is qualifying or modifying your adverb, that is gracefully. One more example. The scientist quite easily solved the problem. Quite easily solve the problem. So this will be your adverb which is modifying the word easily, and easily itself is an adverb. So this is all about the adverb. Okay. Now we will see how the adverbs can be formed. In a very general sense, children, adverbs can be formed from the adjective. Okay. Now see how to form the adverbs, and we can form the adverbs from adjective. How from adjective? Just by adding ly. Okay. Now suppose if the word is given to you beautiful, how to form the adjective from this? How to form the adverb from this adjective? Because we know very well that this beautiful is an adjective. So how to form adverb? We can form beautifully. Okay. After adding ly, or lazy. Okay. Lazy, adjective. How to form adverb? Lazily. Active. He is very active. Okay. So, actively. Then, careless. Carelessly. Careful. Then, carefully. So children, all these are the adjectives, and by adding ly at their end, we can change adjective into adverb. Okay. So this is the first method for the formation of the adverb, that if adjective words are given, then we can add simply ly or ily, and then we can frame the adverbs. Now, one more. Some adverbs have exactly the same form as of adjective. Like some adverbs can be directly used as they are in the form of adjectives. For example, a long journey. It's an adjective. And while making the adverb, it will be used as the same. I cannot stay very long. A fast driver. The child ran fast. Okay. So, these adverbs have exactly the same form as the adjectives. Now see, early, late, hard, long, short, straight and daily are common words that have the same form as an adjective and as an adverb. So children, early, late, hard, long, short, straight and daily. If these words are there, then these words will be used as an adjective as well as an adverb. So these words, they have the same meaning and same form whether they are used with adjective or adverb. Next, this is the third rule. Sometimes when we form an adverb by adding ly to an adjective, we get an adverb with a quite different meaning. So, we get two adverbs with two different meaning. For example, she works hard. She hardly works. Now children, there is a difference. She works hard. It means she is very hard working. Okay? And she hardly works. It means she is very lazy, not at all doing any work. Hardly works. So if we are adding ly to the word, then it may change the meaning also. He went directly to his father and apologized. Directly to his father. Direct to his father. Straight away to his father. I meet you directly. Now here the second meaning of directly is soon. I'll meet you soon. So if we are making the words, if we are making the adverb from the adjective, then we have to keep in mind that there might be possibility that while adding ly, the whole meaning may get changed. So this we have to keep in mind. This is all about the formation of the adverbs. Now we can compare the adverbs. Okay, this is also easy children. We can compare how fast. Now for the comparison, we have degrees, positive, comparative and superlative. I think so in case of adjectives also I have explained you these things. We have positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. Positive when we say something in a very normal sense. Comparative if we compare the two things. And superlative if we make one as the best out of all. Then that is called as the superlative degree. Now see, fast, faster, fastest. Long, longer, longest. Boldly, more boldly and most boldly. Sweetly, more sweetly and most sweetly. Good, better, best. Late, later, last. Far, further, furthest. Far, farther and farthest. So this is the comparison of the adverb. It is the same as we have already studied about the comparison of the adjectives. Okay. Now in the next part of the video, we will see the position of adverbs. Okay. Till then, you all are advised to revise these things. Thank you, children.